Hello guys, I'm here today for the 18th day of Christmas DIYs, and I will be showing you today one more way to pack your box very nicely, Christmassy. The box that we will be packing today is one more perfume. What you will need is the white paper that you will be packing it in. You can pack it in Christmas decorative paper, packaging paper, whatever paper you like. I'll be packing this cardboard paper. You saw it many times by now on my channel. I love it because it looks neat when you pack it, you know, it looks very clean and sturdy and tidy. So we will be packing that paper. Depending on how big your box is, you will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these A4 papers. And you will need the glue to glue the paper. Paper glue I will be using is this xoxoxo one. You will need a satin bow to close the packaging. And the satin bow we'll be using is this white one. It has a shiny side and not shiny side. And you will need a decorative part. I will be using these little trees. I think I will use only the blue ones. I like the blue ones, or you can use the green ones. It's really your preference. I think with today I will be using these blue ones. And you will need, of course, the scissors to cut them. We'll go here. Next step is to pack the box into the white decorative paper or white cardboard in my case. So just trace your box how it is and pack it. For the cardboard you need a little bit more time to glue. So for these boxes you can see the A4 paper is more than enough. It's very nicely. This will be the back side, so the front side will look so nice and clean. So let's glue it. And this is the front side. So front side looks really nice. And then we will glue these two sides. You can wrap it like we said in one of my previous box wrapping videos. You can wrap it like a gift, like this, then these two sides. I do prefer to glue the bottom side to the upper side and to make this little look. It looks clean to me. It looks nicer. But take care to glue only the bottom side to the top one, not the other way around, because look what happens. If you glue the top one to the bottom one, you have like this little hole. It until it don't get dry, and then we're gonna fix the middle. In the middle we're gonna put these little Christmas trees, but not like this. You can put one like this if you want, but I want to do this one vertical. You will just put them vertically in the middle, and you will take your satin bow and you will just wrap it around. So it's very, very simple. But I will show you how. So you will take a long part of the bow, because you want the bow on the front side, but you will take a lot, and then you will just do this. Take off the paper clips now. You will just check how much you need, you know, and this is not enough for the bow, so you need a lot of it. So just pull it. And this is how much you need. Do you see? This is how much you need for the bow. So you just go all around. And we should glue this, because the bow will not be enough to keep it in one place. So just glue the paper, decorative paper, onto the box. We'll tie a bow now. So where did we stop? You go all around. This is enough for the bow. You go all around. And you meet here, cut your satin tape, tie your bow like this. So you can make it like this, double, treble, and just tie your bow. Take care that always the shiny side is up, okay? when you're tying the bow, the way to shiny side be up is like this. You make a knot, the shiny side you make the one side of the bow. So this side is shiny, this side is not. See? So when you get to that side, you twist it to the shiny one and then go through the knot. Then you just fix them a little bit. Yeah, this is how it looks like. You can make it like to see the trees more if you want. Just make the bow like wide like this. It is good for packaging jewelry, perfumes. So just make the bow wide like this. And then like Christmas trees are peeking through. I love this. It's so elegant. I will insert photos for you guys. Sorry it got dark. It's so cold and wintry here in my home country that is like too dark to make any videos. I hope you loved this DIY as much as I did. I think it's super elegant and it's not something that you will see every day. On the back the satin bows are just crisscrossed. Yeah, I think it's super elegant. It's cute, it's fun. People will see that you really tried harder than usually. I think it looks really, really nice. If you try, tell me and send me photos. All my contact information, as always, are in the description box down below, as well as my Pinterest, where you can find my DIY ID Pinterest board, where I draw inspiration and where I put all my pins of these things that we make together. I hope you like it. Thank you one more time for watching. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. Bye guys!